Hey, I'm Tyler Lemmond, and today we are looking at CompTIA's Network Plus CertMaster Labs, lab number 2.1, Reconnecting an Ethernet Network. You are a network technician for a small corporate network. The employee in Office 2 reported that they can no longer communicate with their workstation on the local network or the internet. After troubleshooting the problem, you have determined that the built-in network card in the workstation has stopped working. In this lab, your task is to select and install a new network card that provides a fast Ethernet availability from the cards that you have currently in the office. Connect the workstation to a local network using the existing cables. After the fix has been implemented, confirm that the workstation can connect and is connected to the local network and the internet. So let's go ahead and let's get going. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to look at our cable network adapters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of them, and we're going to open up our motherboard. So 100 base TX PCI, 100 PCIe. We're going to grab the PCIe, and this is 1000 base, so that's probably going to be the best bet. Now we're going to go back to the back of it. We're going to remove the Ethernet cable from the motherboard, and we're going to put it into our new network card that we just installed. So that takes care of moving our existing network cable. Now we're going to go to the front. We're going to turn on the PC, and it should load, and I don't think we have to like log in. It should already be like logged in. Let's see what happens. There it goes. Okay, we're gonna right click, we're gonna hit network and adapt. Oh, it's under my webcam, but it's there. Just right click down here. Okay, and then we're gonna click on Ethernets, and if we scroll down, we can see automatic DHCP. Boom, that should be connected to the internet. So let's score the lab, and boom, we got a 100. Did you expect anything less? Okay, so like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.